let's get into the video. Oh my goodness, I'm so weird. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I'm going to be using the Equal Jamaican twist braid in the color T27. It's a really nice, kind of pretty, like blonde ombre. My black hair kind of made it fade into like this light brown, which made it really pretty. And so I'm using Cantu Argan Oil leave-in. And then I'm also going to be using, I love this, the Fro Butter. It's she's a black owned company, and it keeps my hair so moisturized. So I love using that with protective styles. I would recommend that. I got mine from Amazon, so I'm going to leave all the details and description in the info box there. So what I like to do is apply the Cantu leave-in first, and it's kind of water-based, so it gives it a nice moisturizing touch. And then afterwards, I add the Fro Butter right after, and for me, that kind of it seals the moisture in for me, and it really leaves my hair super soft. So what you want to do is split your hair in half, that section. You're going to place your braiding hair right on the middle of that part, and I'm going to show you in just a moment. And what you want to do is latch on your hair in one direction. So I'm going to attach one end of the part, and then the other end in the same direction. I hope I'm explaining this right. After that, you're going to twist it in the opposite direction. So for the back of my hair, probably the bottom 2 rows of my hair in the back, I use the color P427, so it'll be a bit darker when I pull it up in a bun, and then the front of my hair is more so light. So this is how the hair looks. It's kind of a mix of just 4, the color number 4, and then a solid 27. So I wanted to add a brighter color to the front of my head, and I realized I had this brand called Kima Braid in the color 613. I probably would have never ever used this hair. I didn't like it originally when I got it, so I just decided to take a really small piece of it and add it to my Marley hair while twisting it up, and I actually like how it came out. It kind of brightened it up and made it a bit more fun. So if you want to, and you just want to brighten up the color of your hair a little bit, you can put it all over, but I just really did it like 2 or 3 braids in the back and then 2 or 3 in the front. So this is pretty much the finished look. I'm just going to add some hair jewelry. I wanted to kind of add some shells and everything, but I'm just keeping it simple and just adding some dollar jewelry that I got from the beauty supply store. I also dip my ends in hot water, boiling water, to just give it a straight look at the bottom, because I usually curl it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe. Okay, yeah, girl. You can do it like this, or you can do it like this. Gotta be extra with the edges. Let's go. Okay, well, catch the angle. Catch the angle. You want to see the back? Okay. Catch the angles. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, make sure you reach out to me. You know what I'm saying? Put it in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys want to see more on the channel, because now I got the setup to get it done. But yes, I hope you guys enjoy. Come back again. Like I said, subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon.